All right, we're wrapping up here at Sapphire. It's been a fantastic week. You can see everybody's kind of slowly settling down here. Still lots to learn, still lots of people to chat with, still lots of activities here. Epcot tonight, it's going to be super exciting. But in the meantime, what else did we learn this week? What I learned is that customers are starting to need to understand in a little bit more detailed way how they can take that data strategy. I'm here to help. You need to reach out. We're going to be talking data strategy to enable your generative AI across your enterprise. Only one way to do it, and that is to create that data fabric. And let's talk about those things. So reach out any chance you get. And we'll be looking forward to having any workshops, webinars. Let's team up and let's build something together. And let's make sure that your data is helping you guys make intelligent decisions.